another factory update. So things are progressing very nicely. We're in the factory, and this is the first mold, or the first of the actual full SeaPods that are being made from the molds. So we had all these molds connected. There's 12 pieces that made up the top mold, and they were all connected, and so we filled first, we put down a layer of gel coat, and then over top of that was fiberglass. And you can see that inside here. It's all the fiberglass there. So now we've been going through and taking off each of the sections. You can see where the different sections are. This is where the seam between two molds is. So we've done about 3/4 of the molds. We've taken 3/4 of the molds off. This one's still on. So there's 1, 2, 3 pieces left. So 3 of 12, that's exactly 1/4 is left over. So it's starting to look a lot like the SeaPod shape that you're used to looking at. Looks very good. So this is going to be the first one. We still have to do some finishing on the top surface, but it feels really nice. It's nice and smooth, sleek, very shiny. This is going to be, we need to fix all these, which is a pretty simple job to do, but it's looking pretty good. You can see, oops, let's see how thick it is here. Let's see if we can get down here enough. Let's see this edge here. It's pretty good, very, very strong. So yeah, we're making great progress. We have the shell is supported by these different connection points. There's 4, and then that's connected to the crane, which can hold many, many, many tons, definitely more than this. We're going to finish taking off these other pieces today. In the next hour and a half, they should be off. And then we have to figure out, because this is actually the roof, so this has to be flipped upside down. That's going to be the tricky part. We don't know how we're going to do that yet. We have some ideas, but it's something we just have to figure out.